Hey everyone, Petalisbless here. I'm back with another review for you guys. And if you would like to get the tea on this unit that I'm wearing, stay tuned. I need you beside me. Yeah, girl, I need you beside me. Yeah, girl, I need you beside me. You beside me. Yeah. Now let's start with how the hair came. It came in this package here. Just for your attention, I work hard for it. And this is the inside of the unit. It has 2 combs on each side and 1 in the nape area, so 3 combs all together. And it has the drawstrings. And this is the closure. It's a 6x6 closure. And there's a little extra piece of mesh over there. You just cut that off. And the unit is pre-plucked. And as you can see, I said it's a 6x6 closure. Yeah. Which is nice. I'm loving these 6x6 closures. And the unit is full and nice. It is 220 density. Alright everyone, the lace on this unit, like I said, is pre-plucked. And can you see, it just lays down flawless. I love the lace. It looks so nice and so natural. And I did some baby hair. Yes. And the part goes way back. It's 6x6. When I had you, I was okay. You told me go out, girl, I would wait for you like all day. Nice and soft. The unit is nice and soft. And I'm not getting any shedding or tangling. And it's Brazilian straight, you guys. It's 12 inches. And it is Brazilian straight. And the hair is just soft and nice. Now I'm going to show you the unit from the side. So this is how it looks on one side. And here it is on the other side. And then here is the back of the unit. Doesn't it look nice and full? OMG. I'm loving it, and it flows. It just flows. It's so full and nice. I love the density. 220. And like I said, the density is nice. Now I did get this wig from a company called Larose Hair Company. Yep. I got this from her, and you know, when I went, her site is down right now. They're doing some repairs or something, she said. But I also follow her on Instagram, so I ordered through that, which I'm going to leave all those links below for you guys. Yeah, but I ordered this unit from her, and like I said, it's a 6x6 closure. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. And I put some baby hairs. I'm getting better with my baby hairs. I think it looks cute. Anyways, so I got this unit from her, and I also got another unit from her, which is a 5x5 closure. I'll do that review another time. I got, yeah, 2 units I got from her. I love it. I absolutely love it. When I saw that she had the 6x6, 5x5, I think there's a 7x7. Yeah, there's a 7x7 on her site too, but I didn't want that. But if you want, she has them. Yeah, I was so happy. It was already made. I didn't have to make it. I just ordered it, and I ordered 2. Like I said, so I'm doing the straight one first. I'm gonna come back and do the other review for you guys too. Yeah, your girl is feeling herself. Yeah, I'm feeling myself. Yeah, as I love it. I love the use of a frontal, but I don't want it all the way down to my ears. That's my problem. I don't know if you guys have that problem, but I don't like it all the way down to the ears, and it gives trouble. Even with the spray, it gives trouble. So these 6x6, 5x5, I love it. I absolutely love it. And then it's already made. I don't have to do no work, and the density is good. Yep. So I got 2, and I'm absolutely loving it, like I said. And the hair is nice and soft. I didn't get any shedding. I haven't gotten any shedding. I haven't got any shedding. And you know, you guys, I got this hair about I have this here now for about 3 weeks. Yeah. And I've been wearing it up and down, just in love with it. And I keep forgetting to do a review. Yes, I do. I keep forgetting to do a review. You know, whenever I get my hairs, I like to share them with you guys so you can go get some for yourself. Yes, 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 yes. And I'm loving it. Absolutely loving it. But the wavy one, I didn't wear as yet. No. The wavy one I didn't wear as yet. But I'll give you guys that review. So, get a unit and fix up yourself. Whether it's straight, curly, wavy, kinky curly. She has all of them on her site. And like I said, they're ready made. All you have to do is, well, I had to do my part. I didn't plug my part. I just parted it because I think this unit came with a part at the side. Yeah, a part at the side. And I just switched it to the center. That's all. Just switch it down. And when I switch it, I part it first. And then I just use a little water and spritz on it and take my comb and comb it down to the sides because you have to tame back the hair. You know, the hair is puffy. Just tame it back. And then your part stays after it's dry. Yeah, so that's what I do. Yep. And I'm loving this unit. Yes, I am. I'm absolutely loving it and having so much fun with it. Yes, I am. So, you know what? I'm going to leave a link below to Larose Hair Company so you guys can go over and check her out. And I got a coupon code for you guys with 10% off. 10% off your order if you use the coupon code Petal. Yep. Everything will be down below in the description box. And like I said, remember, this hair is from Larose Hair Company. It's the Brazilian straight. And it's 12 inches. And it's a 6x6 closure. OMG. Yes, a 6x6 closure. Alright, you guys, your girl is signing off. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. And I will catch you on the next one. Bye, you guys.